Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make any video black and white in CapCut without reducing its quality. This is a very simple method and only takes a few seconds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to convert into black and white and tap Add. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on the video clip. After that, scroll through the toolbar at the bottom until you find Adjust and tap on it. Here, select HSL. Now you'll see different color options such as red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, and more. What you need to do is select each color one by one and reduce the saturation value all the way down to 0 by dragging the slider to the left. Repeat this step for all the available colors. As you continue reducing the saturation of every color, you'll notice that the colors start disappearing from the video. Once all color saturations are set to 0, your video will be completely black and white while keeping its original quality. You can preview the result to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it! That's how you can easily make any video black and white in CapCut without losing quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.